So my name is Prathip Burman. I did in class 7 in Ramakrishna Ashram Vidya Mandir. So hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys into another energetic video. And this video is gonna be another kind of a different kind of a video. And also I am sure if you watch this video till the end without skipping any moment, without skipping any sentence that coming from my mouth, then guys I am sure you also can give your introduction very confidently, very fluently. Yes guys, and in this video I will only give my introduction. Yes, I will introduce myself with everyone. So this introduction is very important. Whenever you will go in a new another country, you need this. And the most important time is the interview time. Everyone wants a good better job, but for the job the most important time is the interview. That's why for to give a very well interview you need a good speaking skills, and the most important question will be give your introduction. So that's why you need a good speaking skill. You have to give your introduction more confidently. So guys, in this video I will give my introduction, and I am sure after observing my style you also can give yours more and more confidently. And I also observed that many people who are my subscribers, they also are very curious about myself, who I am, where I live, what is my school name, in which class do I study. So guys, that's why I'm gonna clear everyone's question in this video. So guys, watch this video till the end. Thank you for clicking on this video. Please subscribe, hit the bell icon and like this video. Let's start our video. So my name is Prathip Burman. I read in class 7 in Ramakrishna Ashram Vidya Mandir. Or you also can say that my school name. So my school name is Ramakrishna Ashram Vidya Mandir. If you are in the college, then you can say your college name and your semester. So it is a normal thing. And I live in Agartala. Agartala is the capital city of Tripura, and Tripura is a small state of India. There are 8 districts in Tripura, and also 42 lakh people live in Tripura. So it is the thing. And my house is in Bhattavagar Shuktara Shangha, and in my house there are 4 family members: my father, my mother, my sister and me. My father name is Paltu Burman. He is an artist by his profession, and my mother name is Pratima Burman. She is a housewife, and she always helps us to do our daily work more easily. And my sister name is Sampurna Burman. She is in the 4th semester of the Agartala's art college. And I always tell to everyone describe. Like first of all I describe my home and then my family members. So my family member is my guiding light. They always advise me what to do and not to do. And I also can speak the English language. Today the all credit goes to my family member, because my mother always encouraged me to do the work, and my father always give me ideas to do this idea and also what to do whenever I face any mistake. And my sister also helps me a lot by giving me more and more new ideas to make the videos. So that's why I love my family member. And now I'm gonna talk about myself. So as I tell you, I did in class 7 in Ramakrishna Ashram Vidya Mandir, and I also have a lot of friends. My hobby is making video and also practicing the English language. I always like to practice the English. Now as I am speaking in front of you, I am just telling my introduction. I am giving my introduction. So it is also one of a great practice for me, because I always think that the camera is not only phone, it is not a camera, it is audience. I am speaking in front of 2K audience like my subscribers. So that's why I also love to practice in front of the camera. I like to make some outdoor side videos, and I love to draw. My favorite color is white color, and this thing also has a reason. And when I was in class 1, in class 2, in class 3, class 4, class 5, my favorite color was not white, it was red. But in class 6, something happened with me that convert my favorite color into the white. This incident that I am gonna tell you, it can be funny for everyone, but just listen it. It is very very interesting, and it is also changed me literally. So when I was in class 6, who are my old subscribers, they can understand that in that moment in class 6 my first video got viral. It was the American accent video, and it was a very great video, and this video got 21k, mean 21,000 views. And I want to tell to everyone that in this video I wore the white color, and in this video I wore the white t-shirt. Yes guys, you listen right, the white t-shirt. And then I also didn't take it very very importantly. I think that what matter, t-shirt, everyone wears t-shirt, so it is not anything. But after some days later, when my second video also got viral, I was very shocked because in this video also I wore the white t-shirt, and from this day my favorite color becomes the white color. And it was also very very interesting thing. I know for everyone is also, for me it was like a shocking thing, and now it is also in my most of the video I wear white t-shirt. So it is the thing. You can describe something also, some incidents, just try to speak. Speaking is not any limits. There are many many ways to practice it, to speak it, so just practice. So it is the thing. My favorite fruit is mango because we also have a very big mango tree in our house. So this type of thing you can use, and you must use. Will you give your introduction? I am gonna give you some tips, and with the help of the tips you also can develop your introduction skills. You don't have to do anything, just you have to observe my style, that how I give my introduction. The most important thing that I did, it was body expression, body movements. It can be for anything. Whenever you are gonna speak the English language, whenever you are gonna do some conversation with someone, you must know how to do body expression, body movements. Just move your hands like that, move your body like there, and then speak smiling. Just try to enjoy the speaking. Okay, just try to enjoy, and you will enjoy the speaking. Then you also can speak more confidently, more fluently, more well. So it is the key for to do that. If anything you can, if you want to speak a story, if you want to practice a story, then you can practice. But just remember one thing, do body movement, do body expression, go near there, move your hands, and then speak confidently. It will be very helpful. And first time, for all of the beginners, I want to tell everyone that first try to make a script. Okay, must try to make a script. I'm just practicing the English for many years. That's why I can make sentences. I can just use the English what I think I can express. But you are the beginners, that's why don't worry, just try to write that which question, which answer, which sentences you will use after again and again. So now guys, as you can see, she is also standing for a long time. She is observing. I don't tell her to just come in my videos, but come here. So her name is Shayantika, and now I will ask her to give some introduction. So what is your name? Come here. What is your name?
My name is Shayantika.
So can you give introduction?
Yes.
So please give your introduction. Yes, say freely, like think it is a person.
My name is Shayantika. My school name is Ramakrishna Ashram Vidyamandir. I'm reading class 4. My father name is Dolphin.
So okay, thank you so much. So it is the thing. So today is also the Sunday, and in Sunday in our home, as I tell you, my father also are draw. So that's why it is one kind of a school. So now guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye. I will meet you in the next video. And if you also like this video, then please comment me, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon. Without hitting the bell icon you can't do anything. You also can't get out of the notification. So bye bye guys. Just remember, give your introduction. Just practice it. You can't give a proper, a beautiful, and also a good introduction until you do the practice. Just practice 2, 3, 4 times in front of a camera, and then after practicing, try to notice your mistakes, where and why you were doing the mistake, how, and try to solve them. That's why I always tell, make the videos. So now guys, bye bye. I'll meet you in the next video. Remember, English, read English, write English, but speak English with Pratik Burman. Bye bye.